Good afternoon, Saddlers. We're here on your roof in Lehi. We're going to demonstrate tucking the felt over the ridge. If you look there, as we remove this slope, we're also going to have to remove all that felt and replace it. The felt is installed over that ridge, which means we're going to have to do a considerable amount of manipulation on this other side. Here's your location. So with this, what we're going to do is we want to try to touch this side as little as possible and see if we can tuck that felt over it, which, as we saw, the felt was already tucked over the ridge. I already removed the ridge cap here. So what we're going to need to do is we will tuck that felt under. We have to bring it in here and then re-nail it without manipulating these shingles too much. And that'll need to be 6 inches. So there's our 6-inch line. Break the seal here. So the shingle already damaged. Just trying to break the seals on these overlapping shingles that we'll need to manipulate. Cause damage there. Trying to pry it off. Break the seal so we can get in there. And you see here as well, breaking that off causes mat to transfer onto that other shingle, so this shingle is now damaged. We haven't even got into tucking the felt over, and we've already caused damage. So I'm going to stop the video there and let you review.